Hello and welcome back to the Satoshi Society YouTube channel. My name is AJ, one of the hosts here, and it's December the 2nd. I have no idea where November went. November went very, very quickly. And yesterday, I didn't even realize it was December the 1st. I got very confused on the live yesterday, but yeah, November's gone absolutely nowhere. We are very close to the end of the year. And yeah, we're in tough times right now. Crypto market is in tough times, but I'm here to help. I'm here to talk about where I expect the price of Bitcoin to go, and I'm bringing you trades as well. So today we're going to talk about Bitcoin. It's Friday, okay? So over the weekend, I'm not expecting too much movement at all. We do have non-farm payrolls coming out today as well. Ben is going to be live for that, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to talk about the trade that I opened yesterday as well, so stay tuned for that as well. JK videos, greetings from Egypt. Nice to see you. Cryptinvest, nice to see you back here. So as I said, Ben is going to be going live for the non-farm payrolls, so stay tuned for that. That is going to be in maybe an hour and 20 minutes roughly. Panda whale, have we bottomed? That's the question everyone's asking, and to be honest, I'll dabble in it today. I talk about it a lot. If you follow the channel, I talk about this a lot. I think we're going lower, to be honest with you, but I'll talk about why. Obviously, I'll go over it quickly because I have spoken about it a lot recently. But I just want to talk about what I'm expecting in the shorter term. And Cryptinvest, yes, smash that like button, please, everyone. If you could smash that like button, it really helps me out, really helps the channel out, and it allows me to continue bringing you these videos, technical analysis videos, and continue to bring trades to you as well. And the trades have been very successful over the past 2.5 months, roughly. We made 9 trades, 8 of them were winning trades, 1 of them was a losing trade. The recent trade that I just closed, that was around 120% in a profit, almost $4,000 in a profit. And yeah, whip planner, getting very close to Christmas, very close to Christmas. It's actually coming up to my birthday as well. My birthday is on the 25th, on the 26th. Sorry, so Boxing Day. But anyway, let's get straight on into the video. Please make sure you smash a like on the video as well. But jumping straight on into the charts. So this chart that we're looking at here is a 4-hour Bitcoin chart. And this chart is the reason why I have entered into this short position right here. If you've been following the channel, you know that I've been shorting for a while now. And I'm going to continue to do this because it's worked very well. And I'm going to continue to trade these ranges as well because that's worked very, very well over the past 2.5 months for me as well. So as you can see, 1% in a profit, sat just around that entry point at around $17,042. So yeah, I'm not expecting much over the weekends. The weekends have been very, very boring over this year. Last year, the weekends, we could see major moves over the course of the weekend, but now the institutions are in the markets. We don't tend to see those big moves on the weekends anymore. And that's okay. That's okay. We just sit on the sidelines over the weekend and just enjoy the weekend. We don't have to worry about trading because nothing happens at all. So I'm not expecting much over the course of this weekend. But the reason why I entered into this short position here is because there was a nice cluster of resistance coming in. So first of all, we were at that value area high, this blue line here, so around $17,000. We got above that value area high, and this is what I've been doing over the past 2.5 months, just trading these ranges, okay? Longing this value area low to value area high and shorting the value area high to the value area low. Now, this trade would have been really nice, but again, I was ill, unfortunately, so I couldn't bring that trade. I was ill for a week, so I was away and I didn't even trade this myself, but this would have been a really, really nice trade from value area low to value area high. Okay, there was nice confluence coming in there as well, with a horizontal level. And also a bullish divergence coming in as well. So that would have been a really nice trade. But as I said, unfortunately, I was ill. But we move on and we look for the next trade. And the next trade that I was looking at was this one here. Okay, so I've entered this short position. Reason being, we've come into the fib, the fib retracement golden pocket from the range high to the range low. That's where this fib is coming in. We also have a bearish divergence as well. So if we bring up the RSI, we can see it's actually, so on the 4-hour here, so we have the high here and we have a lower high here. and on the RSI, we're forming higher highs. We can also see this on the 8 hour. As you can see there, we have the high, we have the lower high. Then on the RSI, we have this high here, and then we have a higher high there. It goes on the 12 hour as well. It's respected on the 12 hour. Clearly see that there. And it's even on the daily, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so the daily as well. So we're seeing lots of bearish divergences as well, telling me that the price is most likely going to pull back. And this is why I've opened up this short position. Again, okay, value area high. We've come into this golden pocket and we have this bearish divergence. So that is the reason why I've opened up this short position. And I'm hoping to take profit off of this short position at approximately value area low at around $16,000. That's where I'll be looking to take profit off of the trade. So we'll have to see what happens. Now, this morning we are seeing the price push slightly towards the upside. So this was, in a bit of profit, but, sat around break even right now. The price of Bitcoin is pushing towards the upside. Now, this is okay. We could form some sort of bearish divergence on the sort of smaller time frame here. So we could see potentially the price come up to the top of this golden pocket, see a rejection from there, and the RSI may not make it all the way up to the previous high here. And that would form some sort of nice bearish divergence. So we could be looking at that over the course of the weekend, depending on how the price moves, or we could just see the price continue to consolidate sideways. Of course, we've got non-farm payrolls coming out today as well. So Ben is going live for that, and he's going to talk about how that can affect the market as well. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and he's going to see how the market reacts to that as well once that data comes out. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, for me, I'm still short on Bitcoin. I still think Bitcoin is going lower, and even in the midterm, I think Bitcoin is going lower as well. And I'm going to talk about why I think that as well. But this is why I've entered the short position. This is what I'm doing. This is what I've been doing for the past 2.5 months, trading these fixed ranges, longing value area low to value area high, shorting value area high to value area low. Obviously, we want the confluence as well. You cannot just use a fixed range to trade. You need to look for confluence, and that's what I've been looking for. And I found it here, so I've entered into this short position. Of course, we've got the stop loss in play, and the invalidation would be sort of a candle break above $17,211 approximately, I think I said yesterday. So that's sort of the invalidation if we get a candle break above it. Okay, so we can have a wick above it, that's fine, but we just can't get that candle break above it. But yeah, that's why I've entered the short position. Now, to add on to that, why do I think the price is going to pull back? The price of Bitcoin is going to continue to pull back. Now, yes, I think there's a possibility that we could go to $18,500. I know that someone has mentioned that on the stream as well. They also think that $18,500, even up to sort of $19,000, they see the price going to. And that is a possibility, yes. The reason why it's a possibility is because we've broken towards the upside of this descending triangle here. This is very bullish. Okay, we've broken towards the upside. That's bullish. But what we want is we want the volume, and the volume just isn't coming in, as you can see here. On the break towards the upside, we want a nice bullish spike in volume. We haven't seen that. Okay, the volume has been very well respected. Respecting this pattern very, very well. So what we like to see within descending triangles is that the volume is actually decreasing. That's exactly what happens. Okay, the volume has just been decreasing, and then we want to see a nice big spike in green bullish volume on the break towards the upside. We did not see that. So for me, this is looking more like a fake out rather than a breakout. However, it could turn into a confirmed breakout if we do get a nice spike in bullish volume. If we don't get that, then it's most likely going to be a fake out. Okay, we've seen this before. I was preaching this to you a few weeks ago. Okay, everyone was getting extremely bullish because we broke out of this bigger descending triangle here. There was a break towards the upside, retest, bounce. Okay, but I was telling you, there's no volume coming in. There was no bullish volume coming in. Yes, the bulls were pushing the price up a little bit, but the momentum wasn't there. They needed the bullish volume in to keep that momentum going. I was telling you, if the bullish volume did not come in, this pump would not last. And I said that it would most likely roll over and we would see a dump. And that's exactly what happened. And that's exactly what I'm expecting to see here if we do not get that bullish volume in. Okay, this happens every single time with sort of these triangle patterns. Okay, they break towards the upside. People get really, really, really excited, but they don't look at the volume. The volume isn't coming in. Okay, we need that volume to keep the momentum towards the upside. The volume isn't coming in. So what happens is the price rolls over, the bears take control, and they dump they dump the price. Okay, this happens every single time when the bulls don't grasp control of the pump. So this is what I'm expecting to happen here. I'm expecting the price to roll over and dump if we cannot get that bullish volume coming in. And as I said, in yesterday's video, this could potentially be the pattern that finally takes us down to 14,000, maybe even lower as well, having that final capitulation event that we have been waiting for. Now, of course, if the bulls step in, the bulls grasp control of this pump, they bring the volume in, the bullish volume in to keep this momentum going, then of course, yes, I think we could come up to $18,500. I think that's the next target if we can get that bullish volume in, but that's all we need to do. Okay, we need to wait for that bullish volume. If we don't get the bullish volume in, then we're most likely going to roll over and see that price dump. So this is why I'm still bearish right now. I'm not flipping bullish because we're not getting that bullish volume coming in. If we can get the bullish volume coming in, then yes, I can flip bullish in the shorter term. But right now, I am still very much bearish because we're breaking towards the upside of these patterns, but we're not getting the bullish momentum. And what happens? The price rolls over and the bears take control and dump the price down. So if we cannot get the bullish volume coming in, that's most likely what is going to happen. Also looking at the bigger time frames, we broke a major support, and someone mentioned this yesterday as well. We broke a major support on the monthly as well. This is not good. It's not looking good for Bitcoin. So yeah, if the bulls cannot step in, keep that momentum going from this pump here, then we're most likely going to see the bears take control and push that price down. And yeah, that's why I've entered into this short position, currently sat at break even. To be honest with you, over the course of the weekend, I'm not expecting much from this trade at all. I'm expecting it to fluctuate from a loss to a profit, just sitting around that break-even point, because as I said, we don't see much movement over the course of the weekend, but we'll have to see what happens after the non-farm payroll comes out later on today. I will be traveling at the time that comes out, so unfortunately I won't be able to go live for that. But of course, if anything happens, major to this trade, I will update you as soon as possible, as always. So yeah, for me, I'm still bearish. Okay, I'm looking for this short here. I've entered into the short. Potentially, I could add to this short position if we do form another bearish divergence on this smaller time frame here. So if we get another higher high on the price action, but remain on the RSI having lower lows, then I'll probably add to that position. Because it just adds to the confluence that I already have. So yeah, right now I am short. I am still expecting the price to pull back unless we can get that bullish volume in. Okay, that's all we're waiting for right now. We shouldn't be waiting for anything else. We should just be waiting for that bullish volume to come in. If it doesn't come in, then we are looking to short. That's what I'm doing. Okay, but if the bullish volume can come in, then we close those shorts and then we look for potential long positions. But to be honest with you, if we do see that bullish volume come in, I think we could go up to $18,500 pretty quickly. And then actually $18,500 to $18,800 approximately is sort of a shorting zone for me as well. And if we do come up to there, I will talk about why that is a shorting zone for me. But there's no point of getting into that now because we might not see the price go up to those levels. So right now, if you've got TradingView, open it up, okay? Just draw this pattern in, okay? Draw this triangle pattern in and keep an eye on that volume, okay? If we get the bullish volume coming in, then what we know is that the price is going to push to this next previous support now resistance level at approximately $18,500. However, if we do not get that bullish volume coming in, what we can expect is what happens every single time that the bullish volume, when the bullish volume doesn't come in, is we see the price roll over and we see a dump towards the downside. So that's what I want you to do. Just, keep an eye on that volume. And yeah, the volume will give you a really, really good indication of where the price is going. Okay, just go over it once again. If we don't get the bullish volume coming in, the price will roll over and dump. If we can get the bullish volume coming in, then the price will most likely pump. So we've just got to wait for that volume. Right now, we're getting more bearish volume coming in than bullish volume. So right now, that's why I am sort of leaning more towards the bearish scenario rather than the bullish scenario. But yeah, that could change very quickly depending on, we've got non-farm payrolls coming out later on today, as I said. If that comes out bullish, then potentially we could see the bulls step in and push this price up. Who knows? But Ben will be going live for that, so stay tuned for that. Thank you very much for watching. I am going to have to go. I need to get on my way. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next live. Ben will see you in about an hour, I think. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next live. If you enjoyed this short update, then please smash a like on this video. I really do appreciate it. And it really helps the channel out, and I can continue to bring the trades that I'm bringing you as well. I know this is not as nice as the trade that I previously brought you. That was I think around $4,000 in a profit. That was a really nice trade. But this is the start of the trade. Okay, this is what I'm doing. I'm being 100% transparent with you. I'm showing you when I'm opening these trades. I'm showing you when I'm closing these trades. I'm showing you all the profits. I'm being 100% transparent with you. If we lose a trade, okay, I'm showing it to you as well. Okay, over the past 2.5 months, we made nine trades. One of them was a losing trade. The rest of them were winning trades. So 8 winning trades, 1 losing trade. I'm hoping this is going to be a winning trade as well. Fingers crossed. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Smash a like on this video, and I will see you in the next live. Stay tuned for Ben's live later on today as well. Thank you for watching. Smash that like button, and see you guys later.